Have you ever enjoyed mac and cheese without cheese sauce? Or have you ever baked mac and cheese in a muffin pan that doesn't fall apart? Well, today we're going to find out the secret to preparing cheesy mac and cheese muffins without cheese sauce that will not easily crumble. Let's begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees. And then spray a 12-cup muffin tin with cooking spray or lightly grease with butter. Ground about 12 to 14 pieces of Ritz crackers using a food processor or good old kitchen mortar and pestle. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of the ground crackers on each muffin cup. Gently shake the pan or use a pastry brush to evenly distribute the crumbs on the entire bottom and partially on the sides of each muffin cup. Then set this aside. On the stovetop, bring about 4 to 6 cups of water to a rolling boil. Add a pinch of salt, then cook 1½ cups macaroni noodles per package instructions. Once cooked, drain the macaroni well and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. On a medium to large mixing bowl, add the cooked macaroni, then add the rest of the muffin ingredients. 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon salt, a dash of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder or dried onion, 1/4 teaspoon yellow mustard or powdered mustard, 2 teaspoons dried parsley, 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 3/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1 cup milk or a combination of 1/2 cup milk and 1/2 cup half and half cream. Then add 2 large beaten eggs. Mix the ingredients well. For added flavor, you can add about 1/2 cup pre-cooked crumbled bacon bits. Next, spoon about 1/3 cup of the mac and cheese mixture into each muffin cup, filling the cups completely. Sprinkle evenly on top of the muffins some shredded cheddar cheese, dried parsley, and the remaining ground Ritz crackers. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes or until muffin tops are light golden brown. Let it rest in the pan for about 10 minutes to settle and for the muffins to be easily lifted out of the muffin cups. It is best to run a small thin spatula or a knife around the edge to carefully loosen the muffins to be able to transfer that to a serving plate. Mac and cheese muffins are best enjoyed warm, so serve immediately. Serve as an appetizer or a side dish, or just a delicious snack anytime. Like now. That is really yummy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time here on Jeyn's Corner.